Hi everyone, and welcome to my introduction to Mojo, a new programming language for AI development. In this video, I'm going to cover what Mojo is, why it's important, the benefits of using it, how it compares to other programming languages for AI development, and how to get started with it. First, what is Mojo? Mojo is a statically typed programming language that combines the usability of Python with the performance of C. It is designed to be a unified programming framework for software development, especially in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. Mojo is still under development, but it has already been used to build a variety of AI applications, including machine learning models, natural language processing systems, and computer vision algorithms. It is also being used to develop new AI hardware platforms. Why is Mojo important? Mojo is important because it provides a number of advantages over other programming languages for AI development. First, Mojo is statically typed, which helps to prevent errors and improve performance. Second, Mojo supports metaprogramming features, which give programmers more control over the compiler and runtime environment. Third, Mojo is compiled to MLIR, a low-level intermediate representation that can be targeted to a variety of hardware platforms. This makes Mojo programs portable and efficient. What are the benefits of using Mojo? There are many benefits to using Mojo for AI development. First, Mojo is easy to learn and use. It has a syntax that is similar to Python, which makes it familiar to many programmers. Second, Mojo is fast and efficient. It is compiled to MLIR, which is a low-level intermediate representation that can be targeted to a variety of hardware platforms. Third, Mojo is extensible. It is possible to add new features and functionality to Mojo by writing plugins. How does Mojo compare to other programming languages for AI development? Mojo compares favorably to other programming languages for AI development. It is as easy to learn and use as Python, but it is also as fast and efficient as C. Mojo is also more extensible than other programming languages for AI development, making it possible to add new features and functionality without having to modify the core language. Mojo is a promising new programming language for AI development. It combines the expressiveness and usability of Python with the performance and safety of C. Mojo is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way AI software is written. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has given you a good introduction to Mojo. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.